Okay, hello everyone. In the previous video clip, there's some technical issue regarding with the voice. So the video, which is already uploaded, has no voice. So I'm going to that's why I'm re-recording the video clip again. Anyway, so I'm going to cover chapter 7 today, and chapter 7 is about. Let me open the file first. Yes. Chapter 7 is about how to work with the themes and styles. So in other words, you can apply new theme to your application, or you can apply some styles to your widgets only. The reason it's better to understand themes and style is if you want to modify your widgets. Let me go back to Android Studio, and I'm going to open the activity file. And if you see my app, you can see text label and text edit text and text view and buttons and three buttons and split and radio buttons. So let's see the attributes of the text label. Okay, so if you look at the attributes, then you can see you can find the attribute on the right hand side, and you can see layout width and height and text size, and you can find more attributes. Okay, so what if you want to apply by the way, 20 is the default text size. What if you don't like 20? In other words, if you want to apply 30 for the other old widgets or text level widgets, or if you want to have some smaller text font size for the text view, such as bill amount, percent, tip, total, and round, you have to find the widget that you want to modify, and you'll have to modify all individual attributes of individual widget. So you may wonder if there's any way to apply certain interface or certain attribute for most of or majority of widgets. There actually is a way. There's a method to apply customized attribute to the widget. The first way is to apply themes to your application, which affect most of entire widgets, or even if the background. Or the second way is to apply styles. Okay, so the first part of this video clip is about themes. Okay, so theme is defined in your textbook and PowerPoint. So, well, I don't see any changes here, but actually there are many of themes. There are only three examples in this PowerPoint slide. Okay, so well, you can apply. Well, that's the default theme. Normally, the title dark gray and text color of the widget is black. Okay, and there's some highlighted color is light blue. Okay, so there are different color themes and material themes. The bar to drag the spinner is larger than material theme. Well, I don't see a lot of differences here, but let me show some quite different interfaces, quite different themes. So to apply themes, we have to understand the structure of a project. If you go to manifest, then you'll see some attributes or some characteristic is defined in this file. Once you determine some Android label or themes or icon here, then it applies to entire application. And also the style and theme is defined here. I'm sorry, theme is decided to here. So app theme under style is the theme which is picked by Android Studio. Okay, so that is the default theme. An app theme is defined under style. Okay, style is located under values. Okay, if you go to resource and values, then you can find styles. Let me open styles. Okay, well, app theme is the name of theme, and it is extends from Android theme, hollow, light, dark action bar. Alright, so if you want to just simply choose different theme, you can modify it right here. And then if you type theme, then you'll see a list of themes. All these themes are possible to apply to your application. There are a lot of themes. Okay, so you can choose one of them, or you can define another theme by yourself. So what I'm going to do is find a different theme and apply the theme to my app. But before define new theme, let me show how my application look like. And you have to remember the colors, and font size, or background color, or foreground colors. Okay, so the application is not deployed yet. Let me wait until to be installed. Okay, so the application is deployed, and text level, the font color is black. It's not dark gray, it's not light gray, I think it's just black. But the top action bar is dark gray, and the background foreground font size is white for contrast. And the, let's see, well, yes, I think that's it. And background color looks like white. And let me apply a different theme. But what I'm going to do is not modifying default theme. I'm going to define another theme, and I'll pick the different theme to my application without removing theme. Okay. So to define a theme, what you have to do is a type here. Okay. You have to modify XML itself. Style, name, app, theme, and maybe black. Okay, so the new another name of theme is app theme black, and you have to find the theme you are going to apply, and you have is under theme black. Okay, so once you're done, you have to type slash, then new theme is added, and then that's the theme, name of the theme that I want to apply, and I will copy name of the theme, and I'm going back to Android manifest, and I will apply app theme black, which is new one to my app. Alright, so what you have to do is remember the color. Okay, and I will run the new app, my app again. Alright, so let's wait. So background color is black, right? And it seems like the color font color is light gray. Well, it's not black any longer. Well, that is obviously for contrast. And the radio buttons is pure white, I think, and the buttons are gray. And edit text is background color for edit text is white, and action bar is not dark gray, it's light gray. So you can find out a different colors are applied to my app. So by applying these themes, I can change interface and look and feel of my app. Okay, let me go back to styles. And by the way, theme black is not the only theme. You can find more themes. Okay, let me show. I want to find another way. Okay, copy and paste. All right, but I need to change the name because you can't have two. You can have two same names. What I'm going to do is theme light, and definitely theme light is a new theme. All right, to apply the theme, you have to copy the name of the theme and go back to Android Studio and paste here. So app theme light will be applied, is chosen for default look and feel of my application. Alright, and I'm going to run the application again. So I hope you guys remember the look and feel to compare with new look and feel of my app. Alright, so theme light is applied, right? And action bar, well, it looks like light gray, and I think the color is white, and the other colors is white as well. And the color for foreground of the label is black, I think. Okay. So if you just choose different themes, then you can simply apply new look and feel. All right. And so far, and I also mentioned it is possible to choose any of themes which is listed in this pop menu, but some themes needs to apply in a slightly different way. Okay, the reason is some themes are not compatible with Android lower than 21. I think 22. In other words, Android 15 to 21 is quite old Android version. So some Androids cannot apply. Some themes cannot be applied to older Android. So in that case, what you have to do? There's two ways. Okay. But we have no idea which themes are not directly applied to older version of Android. But if you don't have adder or bulb, if you have red bulb, like orange bulb is fine. If you have colored bulb, then that means the themes cannot be directly applied to older version of Android. Okay. The reason is the minimum SDK version of my app is 15. So it's quite, I intend to, my intention is this app can be loaded and deployed to older version of Android from 15 to 29, which is relatively newer than 15. So because my app supports Android 15 to 29, up to 29, if I want to apply quite a theme which is not for 21 or older than 21, I have to find another way to apply the theme. But again, we have no idea which themes are not available to directly apply to the older version of Android Studio. So one of the cell cannot be applied to 21 or older than 21 is material light dark action bar. Okay, style name app theme material. Okay, parent Android theme. Okay, that's the theme that I want to test. All right. Okay, so I have red color, right? Okay, so to reserve the red colored bulb is 2. You can choose override resource in values in version 21, or suppress with tools target API attribute. So if you choose this one, new attribute will be added after the type of theme. But if you choose this one, another style file for version 21 or older than 21 will be created by Android Studio. Okay, so let me choose the second one first. Okay, and as you can see, new another attribute is automatically generated. So far, by having additional attribute, your red colored area is gone. So Lollipop or older version of Android Studio can be applied with material light dark action bar. So that means that's okay, right? But what if I don't have? What if I don't modify it? Let me test it. Maybe you will have error. Okay, run. Yep. Well, seems like there's no error. Well, anyway, it is possible to run my app, although I have a warning. But that is the reason why I could run the app without a warning or error is my virtual machine is installed on Nexus 5 and API 25, which is newer than 21. So that is okay. That is why it's okay. But what if I run what if I deploy my app to older version of Android Studio? You will definitely have error. And to avoid this error, you can choose again first or second option, and I'll choose. I pick the second option first, right? But what I'm going to do is first option. All right, then that is it created without an error. But if you go to styles, then actual styles XML was at the same level of strings, but styles.xml for version 21 is automatically created, which is this file, right? And those two files are located under styles folder. So you can choose either the, overriding or suppress. Any method will be fine for older version of Android Studio for some specific themes. Oh, I need to apply this theme. Well, okay. All right. I get it. Well, the reason I didn't have error before is I didn't choose app theme material. That is the reason. Anyway, let me select app theme material for my look and feel, and I'm going to run my application again. Then you'll see slightly different look and feel. Well, the color is not dark, not black. It looks like dark gray, and yeah, the color for splitter and the label and font color for buttons look like dark gray. But some difference I can find is the icon is gone. Do you guys remember that I have the icon before? But the icon is gone with app theme material. But what if I choose app theme? Let's just see the if I have icon or not. I have icon, right? So when you choose a theme, you have to check out if some resources like draw icons or other attributes can be applied by your intention, or well, skipped or omitted by the choosing the theme, right? Well, I have a lot of emails in this morning. Well, so this is the how to use a theme. So if I summarize, you can define themes under styles in the styles, and you can choose the theme or new theme in Android Manifest. But some themes are to apply some themes to your app, you have to make sure if the themes work with older version of Android. Okay, so to make it possible, you have to add attributes here, or you can choose another style file for V21. Okay, so this is that is all about the first part of chapter 7, which is about theme. And well, right after recording the second video clip, I'm going to upload on YouTube channel again, and I will provide a link for you to watch the video clip. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video clip.